In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a limited PayPal account. When your PayPal account is limited, it usually means PayPal needs more information to make sure your account is secure and that you're using it in line with their policies. This can be frustrating because it often stops you from sending, receiving, or withdrawing money. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through what you need to do on your PayPal dashboard to remove that limitation as quickly as possible. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. You can do this by signing into your account and heading to the main summary page where you normally see your balance, recent activity, and linked cards or bank accounts. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website and that the web address starts with HTTPS for security. On your dashboard, look near the top of the page for a red banner. This banner usually appears when there's an issue with your account and will say something like, "Submit info to access your funds." Go ahead and click on that banner. This is PayPal's way of directing you to the Resolution Center, where you can see exactly what information they need from you. Once you're in that section, you'll see a list of tasks that need to be completed. One of them will be upload a photo ID. Next to that, there'll be a button or link that says Resolve. Click on Resolve to start that process. PayPal typically accepts things like a passport, driver's license, or government-issued identity card. Before you upload, make sure the photo is clear, all text is readable, and the document is not expired. Follow the prompts to upload the file, then confirm and submit it. Try to do this from a secure device and a stable internet connection so the upload doesn't fail. Next, go back to the list of required actions and look for the item that says, Explain how your business works. Again, click on the Resolve button next to it. Here, you'll usually be asked to describe what you sell or what services you provide, how you get your customers, and how you receive payments. Be honest and as clear as possible. If you sell products, briefly mention what kind, whether they're digital or physical, and how you deliver them. If you're a freelancer or service provider, describe the type of work you do and how clients pay you through PayPal. After you've submitted your photo ID and your business explanation, you've completed the key steps PayPal needs. At this point, PayPal will review the information you've provided. Once they've finished their review and everything checks out, your account will no longer be limited, and you should regain full access to your funds and normal account features.